Okay guys, another one. This is putting a valve in the sauna. Okay, these are gonna be the finished thing, right? I'll show you the finished things after. So you cut the back, right? Put these for the valves, okay, right? So you have the pipe here from the back. Anyway, one like this goes there, right? Then you catch the back. This is the sauna here, okay? And you come behind here. It's where you cut so you can get a finished product. 90 in, stub out through there. Then you sweat that and you have a finished thing.